how to remove followers on Facebook page. So let's get started. First and foremost, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, log into your account. Once you're logged in, now you have to switch your account to your Facebook page. For that, tap on the profile icon along with the three-line icon from the top right corner below the message icon. Now, once you land on menu page, there you get an option to switch your account to your Facebook page. Now, next to your name, there is your Facebook page profile icon along with that arrow icon. If you tap on that, that will automatically switch to your Facebook page. Now, once you land in your Facebook page, you have to navigate your Facebook page profile. For that, tap on the profile icon from the top left corner below the home icon. That will take you to your Facebook page profile. Now from here under your profile name, there is an option as likes and followers. Tap on followers. Now again tap on followers from the top of this interface. Now under this followers list, there you will have all your followers in your Facebook page. Now the only way to remove followers on Facebook page is to block them. So for that, tap on the three dots icon next to that specific followers that you would like to remove. After you tap on three dots icon, there you will find an option to block that user. Simply tap on block and after that confirm once again. Now once you have blocked, that followers would get removed from your followers list in your Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.